What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Holiday Groot from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top of that circle on the right side, bring that down towards the same height, and go back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Just bring this in and then out. And I'll add a slightly smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes going around those highlights. Now from here we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up, and let's add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. In the center, let's step down and add a small curve for the lower lip. Now let's move out to the side and draw the bottom half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, come down, round up the chin just underneath the mouth, go across, and we'll pull that up on the right. Let's bring the right side of the head going up a little bit higher, and I'll connect the left and right side with a curve from the bottom edge of the hat, going up above the eyes and then out. Let's add in the eyebrows. On top of the right eye, curve this up and then down. Let's go over towards the left and tuck this up underneath the hat. Let's round up the side of the hat brim. From the top left corner of the head, then it's out, and then in, go to the top right, and do the same thing. Now you want to place that emblem on the top right side of the head. Let's start from the bottom, curve this across, and then up, go back down, go out towards the right. From the ends, angle this down and in, add another curve going out and up. Just pull this back in towards the middle and pull this up and in towards the center point along the top. Now you want to trace this emblem along the inside, just leaving an even spaced gap all the way around. Let's connect the top of the hat brim with a curve going in behind that emblem. Starting on the left, go across and in, continue on the right. Now I'm going to flop the hat over towards the left. On the top left side of the hat, let's step over, curve up, and then in to create a fold. Now on the top right, I'm just going to curve this up, and then bend this across. Let's bring the hat down along the side. Out and then down. Let's draw a circle along the bottom of this line, go all the way around, back up towards the top. Now from the outside of the hat, let's step in, curve the inside of the hat going up and in. And add one more fold along the top, going up and across. Now from here, I'm going to wrap some Christmas lights around the body. Let's start with the string around the neck, starting on the left side, come down in the middle, and then back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left, step in, draw that same curve. Let's go to the side and curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. From the hips, move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards right, go out, and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. On the left side, bend this down and out. Now add a fold, going up and in. Let's add another layer on the outside. From this point, we're going to step up, bend the foot going out, and then up. And I want to connect the hips to the outside of the foot with a curve, going out, and then down. Let's add a rope across the left leg, starting on the outside, bend this down, and then up, step up, and draw that again. Let's go up to the right hip, come down, and then bend that in, step down, draw that again. Let's move out to the side and add in the arms. Halfway between the head and the hip, let's start up here, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and bend this up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up. Now the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's add a rope across the left wrist. Start from the outside, then it's up, and then down, step up, and draw that again. Now I'm going to add one coming down on the right side. Coming down, and then up. Now I'm going to draw the end of lights across the ropes. Let's start from the outside. I'm going to draw a small square, going down and back in. Let's just work our way across towards the right. Let's place one on top of the rope on the left side, and one on the bottom, and the same thing on the right. Now let's place the light on the end of each square. From the corners, I'm just going to curve this around and then down. In toward the center point. And then we'll continue this all the way across. We're also going to place some lights outside the body. And now we're going to add some wood texture across the body and the face. Let's start underneath the neck. Just adding a few short lines coming down. And then from the top right side of the body, we're going to curve this down, in behind the light towards the middle. Bring this back down. And add a fold. Step back, come down, and out towards the hip. Let's go to the top left side, go in behind the light, in towards the middle, down, add that fold. Now in the middle, down, and then up towards the hip. I'm just going to add some more texture across the bottom of the legs. arms. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Holiday Groot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.